What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. It's been a while since I posted the watch face review videos. So here I am with 3 fantastic dials from Amster watch faces for which the developer has offered some promo codes. Now these watch faces are for Samsung Galaxy watches running on Wear OS. If you have Galaxy Watch 4 series or 5 series, you will be able to redeem these codes and get these premium dials for free. Now let's go ahead and check out the first watch face. This is called Amster Rugged Hybrid. And as the name suggests, this is a hybrid watch face. You can see the digital clock right at the bottom. And we have got these beautifully designed hour, minutes and seconds hand. We have got the battery percentage on the left hand side in the small circle. At the center, we have got the current month. And on the right hand side, we have got the current day and date information. We have got enough health-centric information here. We have got the steps counter. We have got calorie burnt information, distance covered information in both miles and kilometers. And at the top right, you can see at 1 o'clock position, you've got heart rate information as well. And you can just tap on that while you're wearing the watch to measure your heart rate. Now the dials from Amster watch faces are highly customizable. I will just press and hold on this dial and I'll tap on customize. As you can see, we have got plenty of options here. We've got an option to customize the LCD. As you can see, the LCD color is changing here. We've got about 4 to 5 color options for the LCD background. Then we've got hour marker customization. We can customize minutes marker. We can customize menu text. And here we've got some cool color options as well. As you can see, the colors on the numbers, the indexes, as well as the hands are changing here. And we've got some good color combinations over here. We can also customize the complications right here. This dial offers plenty of shortcuts. We have shortcuts for music player, message, calendar, settings, alarm, battery status, and a few more. Plenty of information, plenty of shortcuts, plenty of customization options. This is a fantastic dial you guys must try. Now let's move on to the second one. This one is called Amster Rugged watch face. You can see the rugged theme right here. A big bold digital clock which covers the entire screen almost, and these information are placed pretty well around and between the digital clock. Again, here we have got plenty of information. We have got steps counter, heart rate information, distance covered in kilometer as well as miles. We have calorie burnt information right at the center. And then we have got the current date, day and year right here at the bottom left corner. And at the bottom, we have got this battery percentage information as well with a battery bar. On this watch, we have got a few customization options. We've got some cool color options here. As you can see, the digital clock just looks amazing in these colors. We've got some tap functions to open the shortcuts. We have shortcuts for music player, messages, calendars, settings, alarm, etc. That's again a cool feature on this watch face. Now let's move on to the last one. This one is called Amster Military Digi watch face. And as you can see, this is a very unique looking dial with plenty of information on offer. The way it is designed is pretty unique. As you can see, the entire background on the dial will be on color, which makes it look really beautiful. Again, here we have got more or less all the information, maybe health-centric information, the current time, the date information, and also plenty of shortcuts on offer. Another unique thing to note here is we also have 24-hour time format right here on the top right, between 2 and 3 o'clock position here. Now let's take a look at the always on display on all these 3 watch faces. As you can see, all of them look really amazing. These are the 3 watch faces I wanted to share with you guys today in this video. Thanks to the developer for offering these promo codes. We have got 50 promo codes for each watch face. And to grab a promo code, all you need to do is go to the description. I shared the Google Drive link for each of these watch faces. The coupons are available on the Drive link. Copy your code, use it on Galaxy Store to get these premium dials for free. I know a coupon generator would have been great, but this is what we have right now. You can try the codes, and if you are able to grab one, do leave a comment mentioning that you have got the code. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel to watch some amazing contents on Galaxy watches, Samsung Galaxy phones, Android applications, etc. And smash the like button if you find this video useful. Thanks for watching, you guys. Take care and stay safe. I will see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.